Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Welcome to the Lagrange Street Polish Festival. 25 years strong. We are the Glasstown Sound. Nice to be with you here on this sunny, sultry Saturday afternoon. Nice to see all of you. If you've got 4 friends, please go call them. Tell them we've got room for them here. Room on the dance floor. We're going to be here up until, I don't know, 4:30, 5 o'clock, somewhere around there, sharing the stage with Bad Enough. So we hope you'll stick around and just have some fun with us. Starting things out with one called the Helena Polka. We're going to do another tune for you right now, as soon as we get everything together.
Hang on, I'll call my 4 friends.
Hello? Thank you.
Mom? Yeah, Mom?
There's another little oldie tune coming up for you. One called Everyone Loves Someone.
Hey, Larry.
Hello.
Hi, Larry.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Nice to see you.
Nice and good, I know. You played it on the radio one time. You played it on Sharon's program one time.
You ready, Mr. Recording Engineer back there? Okay. Everyone loves someone. Thank you. We'd like to say some hello to some folks that made a trip all the way up from Tennessee. How are you?
Good.
And Vinny, they're sitting right here, red and white, gray.
He's
Got the Bucks colors on today. I like it. Hi, Jake. How are you? Donna's got one of the greatest scrapbooks I've ever seen, so I'm sure she would be happy to let you look through it. You want to see some really old pictures of some of the guys that are standing up here on stage. I'm talking really old.
Awesome, Tom.
Check, 1, 2.
Okay, can I see your scrapbook? Sure.
Yeah, one call. Life can be beautiful. Thank you. Met the girl last Sunday in the city by the bay. She had come to hear our music and was listening to us play. I asked her what her name was, she said Sarah, Sarah Light. Come and take a little walk with me. Sarah, Sarah Light, I loved her from the start. But she loved all the other guys, she really broke my heart. She promised that she'd marry every time they get married. Sarah, Sarah Light was more than just her name. For a date, I'd give her anything she'd want. She said, let's meet at 7 at my favorite restaurant. There she was sitting with a bunch of other guys. I left the place with tears up in my eyes. Sarah, like I loved her from the start. But she loved all the other guys, she really broke my heart. She promised that she'd marry I loved her from the start. But she loved all the other guys, she really broke my heart. She promised that she'd marry me every Chris, Mike, and your Larry. But Roland was the gun in her eyes were wrong. Share-alike, thank you. Time to put Mr. Brzezinski to work on the vocal for you. One called the Jailbird Polka. And it brings Jailbird Polka. Thank you. Oh. you travel my byway. Do you think that there could be a future? Yeah, that's just so stronger every day. Please don't take my love if you don't want me. Just say the word and I'll be on my way. The time has come for you to make a choice, dear. Tell me now, should I go or should I stay? Should I stay or have found another whose arms are strong and long to hold you tight? Is there someone else who wants to kiss you when it gets late and it's time to say goodnight? Don't break the rules and toy with my affection. This game is tough and it sticks to the blade. So make your choice, you can't wait any longer. Tell me now, should I go or should I stay? Thank you. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a little bit of a pause, get ready to turn the bandstand over to Randy Krajewski and Matt and I'll be with you for the next 45 or so, and we will be back a couple more times this afternoon, right up until 5:30 or something like that. Is it bad? Bad enough? Bad enough? Boris, enough.
Hey, Mike, sit down. Chepash, thank you. He says thank you, Elvis. That was one called The Bright Star. Polka.
It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night, or holding on to someone else's loving arms so tight. Don't think that you can come around and everything's alright. It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night. It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night. It's time to face the music and to try to make things right. Don't think that I will let you go and put up a fight. It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night. For the dance you did last night. It's time to hold nothing else's loving arms so tight. Think that you can come around and everything's alright. It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night. It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night. It's time to face the music and to try to make things right. Don't think that I will let you go and put up a fight. It's time to pay the fiddler for the dance you did last night. It's time to pay the fiddler polka. Thank you. We're going to feature Andy on the vocals for you. All the folks are coming on the bus from Pennsylvania, or Kentucky, or Tennessee, or Rhode Island. You got that new baseball team out there, Rhode Island Reds? Andy coming up on the vocal, one called Those Pennsylvania Hills. Que Good Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania Hills Polka. Thank you. Hey, hey! Are y'all having a good time? All right, I can't hardly hear you, but... I can. All righty, we're going to do an obetic for you right now. Instrumentally slow the tempo down a tad. One that was recorded by the fabulous, famous, legendary Lagrange Orchestra. We're going to send this out to a gentleman that I had the pleasure of meeting on the last intermission, Mr. Doc Lula, from the Windy City, from Chicago. Now a resident of the Toledo area. And starting next week, is it? 12:30, what's the time slot? 12:30 to 1:30, so 12:30 on 12:30. WCWA is going to be your new polka powerhouse station, so starting next Saturday at 12:30 in the afternoon, polka time on the radio once again in Toledo. So nice to see you, Doc. Nice to meet you. Instrumentally, here you go, one called the Standing Ends. Whoa, back.
Humidity.
One called the Standing Ends obetic, especially for Ziggy and out there.
Hey! It's so nice to see everybody out here on Lagrange Street. The old Polish village. Hunky style for you right now, Jay's Polka.
bishop. He got to that Elaine.
Nie będzie się moja to pojęcie zmoczyła. Po sześciuce do Dunaju dziewko będziesz ty mnie prosiła. Po sześciuce do Dunaju dziewko będziesz ty mnie prosiła. Nie rzucaj mnie, bo nie wiem jak to pływać. Nie rzucać, a do Dunaju łaciu do ciebie mówię wracać. Nie rzucę, a do Dunaju łaciu do ciebie mówię wracać. Droższe, no nie dziewczyno, nie droższe, proszę nie. Będę kochał i nie łódź się byłej zapomnę o tobie. Będę kochał i nie łódź się byłej zapomnę o tobie. Oj, zapomnę, hej, oj tobie, oj, boś ty mnie dostała. To nie jest ta moja wina, dziewko, oj, żeś mnie nie przyjmała. To nie jest ta moja dziewka, dziewko, oj, żeś ty mnie przyjmała. Did we do that? Locked in the house for sure. I wouldn't drink that. And it's a good thing you weren't sitting there. Oh, goodness. Doug and Aaron Swift Hollow, ladies and gentlemen. How about a nice round of applause for them on the dance floor?
Somebody needs to buy him a beer.
How was it?
Come on down. polka.
She was little when I danced with her.
Maybe I'm local for you. One called You Made Me Forget Her. Thank you. We're going to slow it down and do a waltz for you right now. Waltz. One off of the second recording by the Glasstown Sound called 50 Girls from Chicago coming up. Send it out especially for Bonnie and Corey who stopped in. All the way from Sylvania, Ohio. Nice to see you. Chicago. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Active Polka's coming up for you right now. One from all the Muraija, that's Benja, the Stormy Clouds Polka. I'll try to play this a little bit louder and pull some of those clouds away, get the sunshine back in us here. Here we go, one called the Stormy Clouds Polka. Muraija. That's it.
That one's gonna dump pretty soon. No, go ahead. You're all right.
One called the Stormy Clouds. Thank you. Let's do another polka that we have not done for a long time. We'll kind of fun one. You want to do that one? Okay. Oh, somebody knows that song. Yeah.
20 years from now.
Everybody say, hey, hey. No, we're in timeout. Hold on. What are we timing out? the one who wants to mention me. I'm kind of fond of one and she's kind of fond of me. I met her at a picnic grove one Sunday afternoon. Our favorite band was on the stand playing all the old time tunes. We spent the whole day dancing beneath the old oak tree. Well, I'm kind of fond of Wanda and she's kind of fond of me. I'm kind of fond of Wanda, she's kind of fond of me. She's from my buffalo shores of Lake Erie. When I talk, you go on, what about the Benjamin? I'm kind of fond of Wanda and she's kind of fond of me. This morning, sun was shining bright. This morning we'll walk down the aisle, we'll dance and drink tonight. All our friends will be there, and all the family. Now I'm kind of fond of Wanda, and she's kind of fond of me. I'm kind of fond of Wanda, she's kind of fond of me. She's on my buffalo on the shores of Lake Erie. When I talk to me, go on, who's like the Benjamin? Benjamin, I'm kind of fond of Wanda and she's kind of fond of me. He kind of fondled Wanda, she kind of fondled me. Thank you. I wasn't fooling around the day I said I do, but many a night I wish that I'd have been fooling too. I know it's foolish taking all this misery, but when it's you, I'll always be. I know that you've been fooling around on me right from the start, so I'll take back my ring and I'll take back my heart. And when you're tired of fooling around with 2 or 3, just come on home and fool around with me.